JDCap26 here, just tips and repairs and hobbies. And how you guys doing today? I hope you're doing all right. We got this package here. I think I know what this is. Let's open it up. And it's sharpener. Great. I've been waiting for the sharpener. Let's open the package up more. You can get this off of eBay. The sharpener. It's called the Block Sharpener by Paul Block, and it's pretty neat. They give you that with it. That's the receipt. Put that over there, and I want to try this out. Give you a sticker too. Look at that. A nice sticker to go with the package. Let's try this out. Let's get a piece of paper here. That's the cutting paper. Put that over there. And hold that up. I got this infamous knife here that always needs sharpening. And that blade right there. This is like two sharpening steels crossing over one each other. This, you can put it down and hold it down against the desk while you sharpen, like on the edge of the desk. But let's see how this does on this. I gave it about 20. Okay. Let's open it up. Try it right here. Yeah, still. This is the hardest thing to sharpen, this one. That's why I picked it for this test. I thought the unit was going to be kind of smaller, but it is a good size unit. They come in different colors: blue, black, green, orange. I like the green. Yeah. This blade is so hard to sharpen. I don't think anything can sharpen it. I don't think anything can sharpen this blade. Let's try this. Let's save that. Try this. Oh, there we go. Needs a lot of sharpening. I don't know what kind of steel they used for this knife blade, but normally it would sharpen right up with two sharpening steels. They're still tearing it. It's a little bit better. I guess the way it catches the paper too. But this is terrible steel for this knife. I wish I could show you with a duller knife. I don't have any to sharpen really. Let's try this little Gerber. I think this one was not too sharp. Let me see how it is on the paper. Yeah, let's try this one. Maybe a better steel. see how it is now. Oh yeah, a lot better. Oh yeah, there we go. Better steel. Better steel. There we go. So it's the paw block sharpening system. It's got two little holes here. You could put a lanyard through, hang it around your neck if you want. And it's a pretty good system, I think. Better than most of the systems I've used so far. So I hope you're having a good day. Just relaxing and drinking some Propel grape water here. It's kind of a hot day, and hope you're having a good day and staying out of the heat and staying safe. So that's the video for today, guys, and I hope you have a good day, and we'll see you next time.